Parisian elegance in a small home, warmth and style in a compact space. Welcome to the Interior Design channel. Imagine pushing open a narrow wooden door tucked along a quiet Parisian street. The apartment inside is small, even modest by city standards, but it carries a certain magic. This is a home where elegance isn't loud or oversized. It's whispered through textures, light, and thoughtful details. Today, we're stepping inside a compact Parisian apartment where narrow rooms become an opportunity to tell a story of warmth, balance, and timeless French style. The entryway is little more than a corridor, yet it immediately sets the tone. Soft cream walls reflect light, making the narrow passage feel calmer and wider. A vintage mirror stretches vertically, drawing the eye upward, while a slim console table holds a ceramic bowl and a single branch. In true Parisian fashion, function and beauty coexist, proving that even the smallest arrival space can feel intentional and welcoming. As we move through the hallway, the apartment's narrow proportions feel deliberate rather than limiting. Wall sconces cast a warm golden glow, replacing harsh overhead lighting. Framed sketches and black and white photography line the walls, turning the hallway into a quiet gallery. The passage doesn't rush you. It gently guides you forward, embracing the Parisian belief that movement through a home should feel poetic. The living room is long and narrow but deeply inviting. A compact sofa and soft linen sits against the wall, paired with a petite round coffee table that keeps the flow open. Instead of filling the space, the design breathes. Warm wood tones, layered textiles, and carefully chosen art create intimacy. This room doesn't aim to impress with scale. It captivates through mood and effortless charm. Natural light becomes the apartment's most valuable asset. Tall windows, dressed in sheer curtains, allow daylight to wash across the room without overwhelming it. The light shifts throughout the day, animating neutral walls and highlighting subtle textures. In a narrow Parisian home, light replaces excess decor, proving that elegance often comes from what you allow in, not what you add. The color palette remains restrained but soulful. Shades of ivory, warm beige, soft gray, and muted taupe create continuity between rooms. Small accents, aged brass, dark wood, and hints of charcoal add depth. This Parisian approach avoids stark contrasts, instead layering similar tones to create warmth. In a compact space, this harmony helps the apartment feel cohesive and quietly luxurious. Every furniture piece feels carefully edited. Slim-legged chairs, narrow shelving, and multi-purpose pieces allow the rooms to remain functional without clutter. Nothing feels oversized or heavy. Vintage finds mix effortlessly with modern silhouettes, reflecting the Parisian love for history and contrast. In this home, furniture doesn't dominate. It supports daily life with elegance and restraint. Tucked along one wall, the dining area feels intimate and personal. A small round table encourages conversation, while mismatched chairs add character. Above, a simple pendant light casts a warm glow during evening meals. Even in a narrow room, this dining nook feels generous because it's designed for connection, not capacity, a very Parisian philosophy. The kitchen is slim, almost galley-like, yet rich in detail. Open shelves replace bulky cabinets, keeping the space light and accessible. Ceramic dishes, glass jars, and wooden utensils double as decor. A soft stone countertop and classic tile backsplash add texture. Here, practicality meets romance, proving that even the smallest Parisian kitchens can feel soulful and lived in. What makes this apartment special is how much care is given to the spaces in between. Door frames are painted softly to blend with the walls. Thresholds feel seamless. Even transitions carry design intention. In a small home, these details matter. They create flow, calm, and a sense of quiet luxury that defines Parisian interiors. The bedroom is long and narrow, yet deeply serene. A low-profile bed anchors the space without overwhelming it. Crisp white bedding is layered with soft throws and pillows in muted tones. Wall-mounted lamps free up surface space, while simple artwork keeps the room restful. This bedroom isn't about grandeur. It's about rest, softness, and understated romance. Storage is discreet and beautifully integrated. Built-in wardrobes blend into the walls, while baskets and boxes hide everyday items. Nothing feels over-designed. The Parisian approach treats storage as part of the architecture, not an afterthought. In a small home, this creates visual calm, allowing the design itself to shine without distraction. The bathroom continues the story of subtle elegance. Small tiles laid carefully add texture without overwhelming the space. A pedestal sink keeps the room visually light, while a round mirror softens hard lines. Warm lighting replaces harsh brightness, turning a functional room into a quiet retreat. Even here, narrow proportions feel intentional and refined. What truly defines this apartment isn't just furniture or layout, it's atmosphere. Soft lighting, gentle shadows, natural materials, and a sense of lived-in ease create warmth. This is a home designed to be felt, not just seen. In true Parisian style, elegance lives in emotion, memory, and the beauty of everyday moments. As we step back out, the apartment leaves a lasting impression. Despite its small and narrow rooms, it feels rich, calm, and deeply personal. Parisian elegance here isn't about size or luxury. It's about balance, warmth, and thoughtful design. This compact home reminds us that with intention and soul, even the smallest spaces can feel endlessly beautiful.